G'day, I'm Pete from Press Tin Panels, and today we're going to show you how to install a cornice over an existing plaster cornice. The tools required today will be a chalk line, marker pen, tape measure, a drill with a 3.2mm drill bit, tin snips, paintable no-more gaps, a small paintbrush, a good pop rivet gun and long grab pop rivets around the 18mm grab, which are available at all good hardware stores. First of all, we'll put the cornice up to get the measurement. I'll put a measurement there at the bottom of the cornice so we can show where we can mark for the cornice mounting strip. We do that either end of the wall, and then we can hold a string line, put a chalk line across there, and that way then we've got a line for the cornice mounting strip to follow. Putting the cornice mounting strip up, I normally just use pop rivets with a long grip, and that will hold it in position. Now I'm putting the first piece of cornice in position. I'm going to have to cut a small piece off to go over the existing cornice. So we do a couple of measurements there. We put a small mark with a pen, and then we'll be able to take it down with our tin snips and trim it off. Now you've got to remember, we don't have to be absolutely perfect with that. Get as close as you can, but it doesn't have to be perfect, because the next piece of cornice that we're going to sit over the top of it will cover up that gap. Once you're happy with that, pop rivet it in place again with using long grip pop rivets. Now with this next piece of cornice, I'm doing a measurement. I'm going to measure at the bottom, and then I'm going to put a measurement in the middle. Transfer the measurement from the bottom to the top, and you'll see that's the gap that you will require to cut off. You may have to do a couple of small trims. A gap of about 5 to 8mm isn't too bad. You can use no more gaps to fill a gap. I use a wet paintbrush to give it a really nice finish, and that way the paint will cover it up and you won't even know that what you've done. As you can see, it's very easy to do, doesn't take long at all, and yeah, you can cover existing cornice, which makes life really easy.